Yo, Keycap maniacs! This is Lancen from Dwarf Factory. Welcome to our very first vlog on Dwarf TV! As you all know, once we get into this mechanical keyboard game, there's no way out. You fall in love with the click and clack, the touch, the sound, the feel, and then you realize there's a whole community out there with you in this game. The whole thing changes, and your keyboard become your identity in this community. Mechanical keyboard lets you personalize it in whatever way you want. The sound, the switch, the cable cord, the LED, the layout, the keycap, and especially the artisan keycaps. And to be honest, shouldn't what you put on your keyboard stand for who you are? I'm asking you, are you ready to level up your game? Once again, welcome to the keyboard world!